Humpback whales compose songs lasting 30 minutes. Dolphins create unique signature whistles for identification. Beluga whales make over 11 different vocalizations. Sperm whales click in family-specific dialects. Manatees vocalize to maintain mother-calf contact. Tag someone who loves ocean sounds. Seahorses click when greeting potential mates. Grouper fish recruit moray eels for hunting. Cleaner fish advertise services through dancing movements. Octopuses change skin texture to communicate mood. Cuttlefish display zebra patterns when threatened. Electric fish generate species-specific electrical signatures. Parrotfish grind. Coral making distinctive crunching sounds. Lobsters drum on seafloor using specialized appendages. Shrimp snap claws, creating powerful sound waves.